Park, Senior Account Manager for Public Sector Mobility, Florida. Bringing the TOUGHBOOK truck to public safety agencies in Florida has been an amazing experience. Bringing the exhibit into their environment immediately gives access to a much greater number of personnel.
Recognizing your tones and inflections.
My name's Jeff Orzek. I'm the Executive Account Manager for Georgia, Alabama, and Tennessee. This is my second experience with the TOUGHBOOK truck, with great success. Traditionally, a trade show booth consists of a tabletop, a tablecloth, and a couple TOUGHBOOKs. This really stands out from the crowd. It allows customers to see products installed in the vehicle. I highly recommend other Panasonic employees take advantage of this unique opportunity to have at their trade shows and lunch and learns.